and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe, and if you're returning back to my channel, welcome back and I appreciate it a lot. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick way to do these beautiful sweater nails that I posted on my Instagram and it got so much love on it. So I thought I would just share it. So I'm starting off with this beautiful periwinkle type of blue-ish purplish nail polish from IBD in the color Just Landing. And I am painting my thumb, my pointer, and my pinky with the same color. So you will see that I initially was planning a completely different design for this, but it just didn't turn out the way I wanted it to be, so then I just kind of had to think of something on the spot and do that instead, and I'm actually a lot more happier with the way this turned out than the way I initially thought I was going to do them. So I was actually thinking of doing a blue French on my ring finger and my middle finger, but I'm glad that it didn't turn out the way I wanted to because I like the way it turned out a lot better. So the biggest thing is when you're doing a sweater nail is you want to make sure your nail polish is thick enough, make sure it's not runny. If it's too runny, then you are going to flood the design, and that's when the sweater doesn't look that prominent and it's just not gonna pop as much. So as you can see, I'm just putting this beautiful pinkish nude color on, and this was supposed to be the base for my French, but I end up just using that as my full nail color. So this year, for the month of December, I want to do Nailmas, or like pretty much like Vlogmas, but nail related. I'm not too sure if I want to do 12 days or 24 days, so let me know what you guys would be interested in. I just really want to start posting frequently and just, you know, start growing on this channel and focus a lot more on this channel. So please leave some suggestions below of what you would be interested in seeing. So I'm just applying 2 coats of this color and I'm just going to cure it. And next you're going to see me doing the sweater print on with the blue. The blue was a really runny polish, a gel polish, and the color just wasn't very neat, so I did remove it a couple times and try a different couple techniques. So here I'm using some builder gel because it is thicker, but I still didn't like the way it looked, so I just wiped it clean again and just left it as it was, and then I focused more on those beige nails. So then I decided to do the sweater pattern on the beige nails, so I'm just making 2 parallel lines with a striper brush right down the middle, and then I'm going to start by making these very elongated, stretched out S shapes, and that's the sweater print I went with. You can always Google it and see different sweater prints, but this is the one that I really like. So I'm just doing that, and I'm just interlocking these S shapes and just making them very neat and thin because I wanted it to be very tight and detailed. I didn't want them to be too spread out. And then on either side, I'm just adding these little dashes, super quick and easy. To give it the 3D effect, you do want to put some clear acrylic on it, so just sprinkle that on it before curing. So you do not want to cure it, and it will look like that, and then you'll just brush it off and it will give you that matte 3D look. If you do not want it textured, you can just draw it on and then put some top coat on it and it will be totally fine. For the middle finger, I decided to do half sweater print, and the same thing again. I just drew some parallel lines right down the middle, and then made those S shapes, and then I put those dashes on either side of them. Now, because I changed the plan of what I was going to do, I just felt like these two fingers, the beige fingers, just didn't tie in with the blue. So what I ended up doing was grabbing some blue gems and applying those onto the middle finger across that horizontal line I made. To apply the rhinestones, I just took some builder gel and top coated it in a line with some non-white top coat, and then I just stuck them across. I ended up just using 5 gems, and I think they just tied the whole look together, and I'm super happy with how they turned out. And that's all I did to get these beautiful nails. I'm super happy with how they turned out. I think these are probably one of my favorite sets I have done on myself. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are interested in watching Nailmas, also let me know in the comments below. Until next time, bye bye.